To maintain optimal performance and hygiene, it's essential to clean and maintain your TRIOS 6 scanner regularly. To avoid cross-contamination, a newly sterilized TRIOS tip must be applied before each use. Alternatively, you can also use a TRIOS Ready tip. After scanning, remove the used sleeve and tip before starting the cleaning process. Use a disinfectant wipe to clean the scanner body. Avoid using excessive liquid to prevent damage. Clean the wireless pod with a soft disinfectant wipe. If using an autoclavable tip, after removing, put it in a container and transport to the instrument reprocessing area. Wash the tip manually with lukewarm water and a soft brush. A mild diluted dishwashing detergent is recommended. Rinse with water and dry the glass window carefully with a paper towel. Inspect the window for any smudges, stains, or hazy appearance. If present, repeat the cleaning process. Once clean and dry, place the tip in a sterilization pouch and seal it. TRIOS 6 tips can be autoclaved or disinfected. Always follow the sterilization guidelines. The protection tip should be used to protect the mirror housing when the scanner is not being used. To clean your TRIOS protection tip, use disinfection wipes, such as Cavi wipes. Remember that you should not autoclave the protection tips since they are not designed for that. Before using the scanner again, ensure all parts are dry and free from residue. For more details, visit 3Shape Community or refer to the user manual.